Yo, what's going on, guys? And today we are gonna try out the new exotic dual pistols. So
Yep.
I don't know, like I don't know, I know how good it is, but we're not gonna get a win. So we're gonna try to get like on top 10, and that's gonna be our challenge. So I hope you enjoy the video.
Yep. And also make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. And yeah, go check
Do
Fix's
whatever he
channel out.
says. Do
And
whatever he says, and check his channel out too.
um,
I'll put the link in the description.
yep. And so will I.
What? No, 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 no. Not here or here. Our guy is in
Where?
here. In this house.
This house?
This house. He's not. He didn't spawn. I think he spawned in the other place. No.
Where does he spawn then?
He spawned on the other retail place. We can still go there.
I have it.
What? Oh, you
I
got
have
it?
it.
Oh, nice. Let's go.
What do you do? I'm coming.
Don't tell me what they do.
Bro, believe
Mickey,
it.
Mickey, come close to me.
Yeah. Hey, thanks.
I have.
He is
never
far.
actually
How will we
tried
ever catch up?
and 2 hours. Yeah.
Okay, I want.
We told you.
So what happens
Oh
with it?
God, he's being targeted. No.
I'll be part.
Can I?
Okay.
Don't show me what it does.
Okay, I have to see what it does.
Wait, drop it for a second. Drop it for a
Oh,
second. I'm not gonna pick it up.
someone has been rebooted.
Wait,
Someone has
drop
been
it for a
rebooted.
second. Drop it for a second. Guys, look, it's right here. This is so cool.
Okay, the people right in front of us.
Oh, gold. We need that. Lot. Guy.
Oh,
Here,
God.
here, guys, here. And oh, I headshotted him with this, and I got the green new shotgun as well. Oh my gosh, I headshotted this dude. I'm insane.
I need the I need a guy though.
There's a lever action.
Oh, someone has been rebooted, I think. Fine.
Thank you. Okay. So guys,
Wait, it's a hop rock. Wait, let me see.
oh, are
Wait.
you actually kidding me?
Wait,
Can you
let me
drop
try
them
this.
for a
Let me try this. Wait. Oh. So you have to shoot and then it starts. Then you're gonna have hop rock. Shoot it.
So wait,
Shoot it.
don't pick it up. So guys, are you actually kidding me?
Sorry. I thought you were giving to me.
I'm
Okay, drop it.
Stay,
Drop it. I'm not taking it.
drop it. Okay, drop it.
Oh
please,
my
drop
god.
It.
Thank you.
Okay, drop those.
Okay.
Okay, guys, look. These.
Wow. Oh my
Oh.
god.
Okay.
This
Guys,
is
these are the new
really
hop rock
blue.
dualies. So let's see what they do.
So it's like
So the rear
a galaxy color. It's a galaxy color.
Yeah.
No joke.
Oh, yo, this is really. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna use these because I love the dually. Yeah, I love the
Yeah.
dualies, and there's.
Like,
And,
can I have it back? I want to try it.
okay.
How much damage does this do? That's the question.
I don't know.
I don't want to
I'm
check
pretty
its.
sure
I
it
don't
does
want.
like
I
the normal dually
I don't want to check its stats. I want to save it. Oh, wait. I don't have a shotgun.
Oh, there's a gold lever action. Gold color.
Okay.
Like.
I have to find some people.
Oh gosh, this is like a little parkour to the chest. Another lever action for someone.
Me. Okay, so now I can show my people two new guns. The dually and the lever.
My
Shotgun.
big god, my big god.
Epic. Okay, so guys, this is how the hop rock dualies look. It's insane. So this is what you have to do. You shoot it, and then you can start hop rocking. It's insane. This can actually be very useful, you know.
Can you drop
Like,
them for a second? I'm gonna take a screenshot. Ooh, blue AR.
Oh, he's there. Guys, help.
I'm coming.
You guys coming?
Drinking my big pot.
Oh my god. A little help here, please.
I ate apples and it counted as eating mushrooms.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. And then I got some.
A little help here because I'm facing a guy,
Oh, there was a
dudes.
guy on top of the mountain.
I know, that's who the guy who shot me.
Oh, okay, that's the guy. Okay. No. Put it the mark.
I still don't see him.
I have an air action rifle, so I can snipe him. Cancel the marker. It's super hard to see with the marker cancel. Okay.
You still barely see him. Please don't be anyone in the bush. No one.
Nope, no one in the bush. There you go. Nope, no one in the bush.
Who's
Top of the
hiding?
mountain, I guess.
Where is he hiding?
Can I have those pistols for a second, please?
Nope. I need to damage this dude. Bro, I need to damage some dudes.
Okay, only one dude. You can damage.
Yeah, one dude.
And then you have to
I wanna
get-
kill one
you-
dude
Yeah,
anyways.
you gotta give it to me. Okay.
Yeah, then I'll give it to you. Chill, buddy, chill, fix. Can't do you, mate. Where's this dude?
There's a chest on top. Okay. I'm gonna go.
Wait, I wanna see something. Does this protect you from fall damage? Which? Oh, this.
Yeah, obviously it's a hot rock dually, dude. No. He's winning the race. Oh god! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's
Did he get shot, guys?
cracked.
Let me kill him. Let me kill him. Let me kill him.
Cracked. I'm not gonna.
Oh,
Are you
42
kidding me? Did you kill him?
damage.
Oh my gosh! I am.
That's 42 damage.
He had a gold scar and a gold tack. I'm
Why
totally
that 42
taking that.
damage? Someone take this. Someone take this right now. That's 42 damage per shot.
What?
That's 42 damage per shot.
42. Okay, that is. I'm gonna have
Actually,
that.
no. That's exactly like the normal
Can I have
dude.
the
That's
dualies,
exactly
please?
like the normal dualies.
Please,
Exactly.
I need the dualies. I want the dualies, please. I want the dualies, please. Please, I'm recording a YouTube video,
know-
please.
Can I tell you guys something?
Okay, thanks.
These dualies are exactly like the normal one. Like they do for the normal ones also do 42. Sick.
So wait, if you're falling down, we can just shoot these dualies and
Yeah.
we're not gonna like fall down. This is cool. Oh my god.
I know this
I
will
love
be
these.
so useful, bro.
And I have a gold tack and a gold scar.
Okay, here's the thing. Here's the thing, guys.
Where?
I love dualies, like not even the exotic ones. I love this one, but on a regular area, I love the normal dualies. Now the exotic one is even better, and that's so lit.
Come on, guys.
Now I have to try this. I have to try this lever shotgun now.
Okay. This is cool.
Where are the dudes?
I like this. Where are people? There's no one anywhere.
I know.
Anyone
Oh,
skybasing?
okay.
Okay, I see
Yeah.
someone. I hear someone shooting. Don't kill him, please.
Oh, it's time to 58.
I tagged him. Are you actually kidding me? Ooh, headshot is 68. Wow. And the body shot is
Oh, I want to try the lever shotgun.
yeah.
Let's shoot from that far.
Oh, please don't kill him. I just wanna hit him once, please. Come on. Come on. You
Wow.
I hate you.
I was trying to level shotgun. That's pretty nice
I
damage.
actually hate you. Please let me kill some.
Yeah, now you can take the other dudes. I don't want to try the level shotgun. This shotgun is actually pretty nice, bro.
I know, right?
I like it. Oh, your dude.
please
Ran, this is
let
your dude. This is your dude. This is your dude.
Another guy behind us. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, another guy behind us.
Then take it.
He's a bot. He's a bot. Let's go. Dude, these are insane. These things are
I know.
insane.
Now give it to Abdulli. I think he should try it now.
Yeah. We should try.
Abdulli. Your turn to have the dualies.
Take these duties. If you
Oh, they
want
are
them, you can
insane.
give it.
They
Oh, he
are
doesn't want them.
insane.
Oh wow, he doesn't want them. Nice. More shots for me.
Then,
Another
then give
guy
it. No,
coming, Michael.
no, give it.
Right. I'm dead. I'm gonna die. Nice. Nice. I'm 9 HP. I'm 9
Give me the
HP.
dualies. Give me the dualies. Give me the dualies. My turn. My turn.
Dude, you have used them so much.
I only had one shot with that guy. You guys cracked him. Give it to me. It's my turn.
I like it. Wait, another
You're
guy's right
fake,
here, and another guy's over here.
Okay, now you have to give it after this skill, okay?
Yeah. And you have to let me kill him. Wait. I'm gonna
Oh,
die
no.
myself. I'm just on
What
9
the
HP. Don't kill him.
Oh,
Let me pop my medkit. 5 people left. Dude, we have to win this game.
Yep. Just for Abdulli. Okay. Okay. Never mind.
Is he? This guy? I'm with you. I'm gonna edit this. So, I shot him 53. Shot him 53. 53 tag. Don't let him finish me. No. Come on.
Ah.
No.
That counts.
Yeah. That counts.
Gosh. Okay. He's over there.
Yeah, he's at my place. At my place.
What do I do?
I'm here, Abdulli. Wait. Don't buy it. I'm here. I'm
But
buying
why
it.
are
I'm buying
you
it.
so, like, doing that? Because of buying it, like,
Yeah, I got it.
why do you want to buy it?
Any day I am other.
I have 66. They are.
Okay, I don't have any.
I'm at the snowman place, and I'm gonna buy the exotic over here.
Why there's a player over here?
Wait.
And there's a
Where, Abdulli?
where? No.
Oh, there. I see it.
Okay, guys, I'm buying the big still exotic.
Buy it, we don't care.
I bought it.
We are on a down hand.
Got him.
I can hear a lot of
Bro, this is a sick gun.
dueling.
Are you kidding me? No ammo boxes?
There's a guy here with a kill guy. He's coming to Abdullah.
Yes,
God,
okay, I'm coming to
I'm
you.
dead, guys.
Abdullah.
I'm dead.
I'm coming. But where
Where
are you?
did this guy come from? He backstabbed me.
I'm coming to you, Rayu.
There's too many sweats and trios. A guy is coming to Abdullah over there. Two guys in the
people are
house.
coming to me.
A guy behind you. Guy behind you. Kill him. You don't
Are you
know.
freaking kidding me?
There's a whole trio over there. Abdullah, come to me and
Are
wait
they-
for me
are
to
they
die
knowing
if
the-
you can.
Yeah, okay.
Got them. Well, I wasted my gold on this. The big chill. How do you know? The guy's not even here. Wait, is he here?
The guy, the guy
Oh, he's here.
Literally,
Idiot.
okay, yeah, he is. I'm gonna get the gun. Got the gun.
Okay, got a gun.
Someone have any extra ammo?
does somebody have a
Light
extra
ammo,
weapon?
guys. Come on. Someone light ammo. I'm being targeted.
Oh, you've been targeted.
Any light ammo, anyone, guys.
Guys,
Okay.
from Ran, hide in a bush.
No, I can't. I have to. I got a guy. Literally sniped a guy with this.
Nice.
I got this gun has a name, and now I have 0 ammo.
There's a dude there.
Run, I have ammo.
Oh yeah.
Guys, we have to go. Oh, there's a dude there.
Okay, this is AR ammo. I did not know that. Michael, guys, come on, please. I got it. Another guy over here. Michael.
Stop the cap.
Not
I
your
just have
kill.
8 ammo. Did you get it?
Ouch.
I have zero ammo. I don't have any ammo. Is he low?
I hit him once.
He's cracked. He's cracked. Abdullah, he's cracked. He's cracked. Why did I not have any ammo? I could have gotten him. Are you actually kidding me? So guys, this is gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.